Hey y'all, Amanda here, and today I'm going to share with you guys everything I've hauled in the month of February. I'm having a nice lazy Sunday today. I hope you guys are having a lovely day today too, whenever the day is that I upload this. So let's go ahead and get started because I've got a few different things. So I guess let's start with Target first because I've only got a couple things I bought from Target, and these were in the like $1, $3, whatever they call that section now, the bullseye playground, or I don't know, whatever they're calling it. So I got this little cup, and that's like a rose gold metallic with a minty turquoisey kind of color, and inside's pink. It's just a little container. It's the perfect size for Q-tips. So that's what I bought this for. I'm gonna put Q-tips in this on my desk because I use a Q-tip, at least one Q-tip every day when I'm doing my makeup. So yep, got that. And then I got two of these little bowls. I don't know if you remember, but Target used to actually carry in the home section a selection of bowls this size year round. And now they only have bowls this size in like a marble and a wood, which for my purposes don't really work because those are both very porous materials that can stain easily, and I use these for a lot of things in the kitchen. So I'm constantly using these little bowls to make just a tiny side of guacamole, or to mix up my flax eggs, or to put some sort of sauce in for dipping. So I use these type of bowls all the time. I did have three, and Austin's mom accidentally broke one, but she broke the one that I had two in the same design of, so it was totally okay. So I got two extra bowls, and I had seen these maybe a week before I had went back to kind of find them, and these were literally the only two that they had left. So this design is kind of the same color inside and out, but it's more blue on the inside, more white on the outside, and it's got kind of that lime green rim. This one has a lime green design on the outside, blue on the inside, and a purple rim. So these are going to go back downstairs into the kitchen, where I'm sure they will be used a ton because I already used the two I have a lot. So I wanted to get a couple more just because I'm constantly using them. So sometimes they might be in the dishwasher being cleaned and I need another one. So yep, got those. And then I guess we could transition over to kind of beauty, body, makeup, whatever kind of product realm. So I ordered this body wash on Amazon because the one I was using finally finished up, and it is the Love Beauty and Planet brand, which I had never heard of when I ordered this, and now I'm seeing it everywhere. Like literally, Uppy's Beads, Tammy, I don't know if any of you watch her, she had reviewed it in one of her empties, and then I saw it in Target, and I've been seeing ads on Instagram. So this is what I bought, and it is the shea butter and sandalwood scent. It smells nice. It's not a heavy scent, so it's not overwhelming, but it's just light and a nice scent to fill the shower with. And yeah, it's a very creamy body wash. It sets up some, but it's more creamy, but it rinses off nicely so there's no film. You don't feel gross. But yeah, I'm enjoying it, and I had ordered a 2-pack on Amazon, mostly because it was vegan, and it was different, and I had never seen it. So, yes, organic coconut oil, yes, natural shea butter, yes, ethically sourced sandalwood, which I didn't know sandalwood could be unethically sourced, but I don't really know anything about sandalwood. Yes, plant-based cleansers, yes, mild cleansers, yes, vegan, yes, not tested on animals, no sulfate cleansers, no parabens, no dyes, no guilt. And the bottle is made from 100% recycled plastic. So that's really cool. I'm glad that this is being retailed in Target now, and it was easy to find on Amazon. So that should be good. I will say though, it is a Unilever product, so in the grand scheme of things, it is going to a company that's maybe not so great, but at least those big, terrible companies are now producing products that are better. And I think that if we continually demand that of the market, better and better products will be produced. So it's cool. And then I bought a new deodorant because, you know, I'm on this deodorant journey. This is the Kopari coconut oil deodorant. So it's aluminum free, phthalate free, non-GMO, vegan, silicone free. Yeah. And here it is. This is one, I don't know if it's going to be, yeah, so it's a little beat up because this one actually was delivered and it makes weird noises. When it was delivered, the entire thing was in the lid. So I kept this one just kind of on hand, but they did send me a new one since this one's kind of, I don't know how it's going to work, if the spinny part's going to work all the way. Anyway, that's here and nor there. It is the best natural deodorant I've tried so far. I can say that. It has been better than the, what was that one brand called? I keep forgetting what the one brand that I have in the gym bag at work is called. But it's better than that. It's better than the Botanica, better than the Jason's, better than the La Vanilla. So this is what I'm using right now. It's still not 100% what I would like out of a deodorant, but we're getting there. So that is that. And then I also ordered this. This is my favorite nail polish remover. It is the 3-in-1 Formula Remove Plus from Zoya. And this is the giant refill size. So my pump, which is the little size, it's like the normal retail size, that is maybe got half a use left in it. I'm going to throw that in my empties video so you'll see that whenever I post and film and post that. And then I'm going to refill it with this. Because I just painted my nails last night, so I think I kind of killed it. So yeah, I like that they sell it in this giant refill. That way I don't have to keep buying more of those pump bottles, since the pump bottles do use more plastic, just given the apparatus for pumping. And I don't need more than one pump. I can just keep refilling it. So it's really nice. I like that I could get that. And I just ordered that on Amazon as well. I think you can order this on Amazon, but I ordered this straight from their website. And then fashion, accessories, shopping, clothes, fun stuff. So the first things I'll show you are from j.crew factory. I had gotten a spring $50 reward card, and then on top of that, just like shopping and points, I got another $10 reward card, so I had $60 to spend. I got these earrings. I don't know if you'll be able to see them entirely. Let's see. They're little pretzels. How cute, right? And then I also got these earrings. I'm a little bit of an earring freak, if you haven't noticed. I order a lot of earrings and I wear a lot of earrings, so these are really cute. They're like that faux tortoise shell material that's like plastic, and then they've got white flowers on top. And I've worn these a few times as well already, and I love them. Absolutely love them. They look really nice with like everything. And then the other thing I got from j.crew factory was this t-shirt. You guys know j.crew factory have my favorite t-shirts. It's just a gray t-shirt, and it's got a llama in the pocket. Look at that. He's got like little pink pom-pom things on his ears and glasses. So cute. I love it. I haven't worn the t-shirt yet, but I did buy a t-shirt from j.crew because it was like randomly marked down to 20 bucks for seemingly no reason. Nothing else was marked down. It was very random. So I guess it was just something they were putting on clearance. And it was this shirt right here. I cannot pronounce that. Don't even ask me. But it says Peace on Earth on the back, so I'm assuming that's just what it says in French. Super cute. Very yellow, very statement kind of t-shirt. It definitely stands out. So I really like this. I've already worn this as well. Definitely a fan of that. And then from Marshalls, I have two things. Me and Austin just went there randomly last weekend. It was just kind of gross outside. It's been gross outside this whole weekend too. And just sort of walked around, did some shopping. So I got these jeans, and they have little pearl clusters attached to them. They're very cute. They are from Kenzie Jeans, which I think I might have another pair of pants from that brand. I don't remember. It sounds familiar, or I've tried on pants from them, but they've just got these really cute little pearls on them. And I just cuffed the bottom because I think it looks better on me to have it cuffed. Very cute. I don't know if you guys follow Eva Chan on Instagram, but she has pearly pants, and I love her, and I've been wanting a pair, but every pair I find is like 70-80 bucks, and I don't want to spend that. So those were, I want to say like $24, but I'm not sure. They were the cheapest ones I've found so far that have little pearls. And pearls aside, the jeans themselves actually fit me really, really nicely, which is a rarity. So I was very pleased with that find. And then the other thing I got from Marshall's is this dress. And it hugs my pooch a little bit, but I didn't care because I love the dress so much. The fabric is so soft. It's from Fleur Bleu. I don't know. We're just gonna say that's what it is. So it's a white dress and it's striped. So you have a section of pink stripes, a section of an orangey red stripe, and then a section of a navy blue stripe. And it just feels so good on the body. It is the softest dress ever. It's just nice and springy, and it just is a cute dress. I don't know. I felt really good in it. So I bought that, and that was $29.99, but I don't think that's what it ended up ringing up as. I think it was a little cheaper than that. So that's awesome. And then the last things I have to share with you guys are things I got just yesterday out at a Goodwill. We went Goodwill shopping at a different one. This one was in the Glen Burnie, Maryland area, and they were doing a 50% off day. So first thing is this bag, which how adorable is this? So it's got a really vibrant floral embroidery on the straw. The yellow is just speaking to me. I'm having a yellow moment. And then these really nice wood handles. The inside has a zipper so that you can hold most of your stuff in there. It's not like easy to just hop in and steal something out of here. And then there is like a side pocket or two. I don't know if it says a brand on here. Kate Landry. I don't know what that is. Never heard of it. So I don't know if that's like a Walmart thing or if that's like a department store thing. I could care less. I just think this is so cute. And actually, if you really wanted to put your stuff in here, this would probably hold a lot of stuff. I see this looking really adorable in Instagram photos, or just if I'm going out to dinner or lunch, just quick throw a few things in here and carry it. Probably not the best for a day of shopping since it doesn't fit on the arm super comfortably, but really cute, and I think it'll photograph nicely with a few different outfits this summer. So I've got that, and then this, oh my god, this find makes me so happy because it is like my shade of pink. It is this blazer from, and I think I have a picture of this up on my Instagram stories, but I don't know. I'll have to wear it in an outfit this week so you can see it in my outfit Instagram stories thing. But it is just the cutest pink blazer in the best shade. I don't know if there's any brand information on here. Yeah, it's just kind of generic. Just says dry clean only, but I don't see any brand info on here. But yeah, it was 50% off, so it was $9, so I got it for $4.50. And this was $5, so I got it for $2.50. So $7 and some change, I think. Yeah, not a bad day. Not bad at all. Yep. So I will definitely have to wear this with an outfit this week so you guys can see it. It is so cute. Just, and it's like perfect. It was made for me. It honestly feels like it was made for me. It was the first thing I saw when we walked in the store. It was one of the only things I got. I didn't even have this bag with me to check out. I saw this bag as we were in checkout. So that is everything I bought in February. Not too much collectively speaking. Probably a little more than I thought I would buy. Like the clothing, the j.crew clothing, I didn't really spend a lot on that. The stuff I got from j.crew Factory, I literally paid shipping. And then that other t-shirt was $20, which is not bad. So the only real like spendiness was the stuff from Marshall's, and that was even cheap. Yeah, because I mean obviously I've got to have body wash, I've got to have my nail polish remover, I need to have deodorant. But yeah, not too bad. I would love to know what you guys purchased in the month of February. If you got anything super exciting like I did. Those pearl pants are my favorite new thing. I'm obsessed with them. And if you would like to share any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to subscribe, you can hit the subscribe button down below. And if you want to be notified every time I post a video, you can hit the bell button that's right next to the subscribe button. And I think that's probably all I have to ask of you guys. I'm wearing my YouTube shirt today, even though they demonetized my channel. It sucks, but I get it. I'm not making as many videos lately, so I'm not getting the views to sustain, but still, it's annoying. And yeah, I'm totally off track at this point, so I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!